In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search effectively in Confluence. Let's start by opening your Confluence workspace in your browser. Front and center of great searching is the search bar in the top right corner. You can click into it or press the / key on your keyboard to jump there instantly from anywhere. As you type, Confluence will suggest results, but the real power comes from a few simple operators that make your searches precise. Use quotation marks to find an exact phrase. For example, typing project kickoff returns only results where those two words appear together in that order, which is perfect when you know the exact wording of a title or a sentence you've seen before. The asterisk is a wildcard that replaces missing characters. If you're unsure about a word ending or a variation, try something like report to match report, reports, or reporting. This helps when you remember the root of a term but not the full spelling. A minus sign excludes words you don't want. If you're looking for budget but not draft versions, you could type budget draft to keep your results focused on final materials. You can also combine terms with and or to tighten or broaden your search. Design and spec will return results that include both words, while design or spec will return items that mention either one. Use uppercase for these operators so they're recognized clearly. After you press enter, you'll land on the full results page. This is where the left-hand filters shine. Narrow by space, if you know where the content lives, by contributor if you're looking for work from a specific teammate, by date to prioritize recent updates, and by type to focus on pages, blog posts, or attachments. Quick pass through these filters can save a lot of scrolling. Behind the scenes, Confluence searches across page titles, the body text of pages, attachments like PDFs and documents, and even comments. If your result is an attachment, open its preview to see where your term appears. Labels help you target content that's been tagged. In the search bar, type label marketing to find pages associated with that label. Just use label followed by the label name without spaces. Remember, the / shortcut opens search instantly so you can move fast without taking your hands off the keyboard. Finally, if you're hunting for pages that use a particular macro, type the macro's name in the search box. Typing something like Jira will surface pages that include it. Combine these operators with the filters, and you'll find what you need in seconds. Happy searching.